All right, it's time to go to the fascinating world of the respiratory system. Okay, breathing. Now this is pretty unbelievable. Well, they all are fascinating, but so let's have a look. So you breathe in the air and we take the oxygen out of the air to put oxygen into our bodies. Yes, you know that. Breathing in through your mouth or nose, it goes down the trachea, okay, otherwise known as your windpipe. Now from there, it then splits off to two bronchi. Okay, so the windpipe, the trachea goes down, splits off to two bronchi, and each bronchus goes to a lung. Now your right lung is bigger than your left lung because you need to make way for your heart. That's just a little bit of trivia. Now, so you've got your bronchi splitting to each lung, and then they split into further bronchioles, which are smaller bronchi. So it's like an upside, in fact, it's called the bronchial tree because it goes like a trunk, the windpipe, into the two bronchi, and then into bronchioles, like twigs, okay? And then they go to little alveolar sacs, okay? These are little sacs of air, and that's where the oxygen goes from there, and it goes into your capillaries, and then it goes into the bloodstream. Now it goes, this is where things get tiny. The blood, okay, do you remember I said to you a while ago that each drop of blood contains 5 million red blood cells? Right, well now, each red blood cell has 250 250 million hemoglobin molecules that carry the oxygen. And each hemoglobin molecule carries 4 oxygen molecules to take them around the body to oxygenate our bodily systems. Now you breathe roughly about 15 times per minute, which is around about 20,000 times in a 24-hour period. Now we breathe in around about 1/2 liter on each breath. Now 30% of that air goes to the alveoli, which it gets exchanged from the oxygen, goes into the bloodstream. The other 70% does not reach the alveoli, and so it's basically useless. It doesn't get to the alveoli, so we can't extract the oxygen, and that is actually known as dead air. Now even if you exhale as much as you can, and you try to get all of it out, your body still, your lungs still retain around about 1 liter of air. Now the medulla oblongata in your brainstem is the thing that triggers us to inhale and exhale. So this is the thing that is in control of breathing, so you don't have to be. Now, you might be surprised, it's not that our body is triggered to inhale by not having enough oxygen, it's actually the build-up, the saturation of carbon dioxide. So when you hold your breath, for example, underwater, it is not because, now when you need to take that next breath, it's not because your body's so much saying we need more oxygen, it's saying we need to get the carbon dioxide out of the system. That's what triggers the next inhalation. So finally, when we breathe out both carbon dioxide and also water vapor that was produced in the body. In fact, we lose about 1/2 liter a day of water just by exhalation alone.